Polkadot price action. What's up, my crypto heads? We're looking at the daily chart on DOT, and we got this pullback after it had hit new all-time highs. And first thing we were looking at was really right here, this demand zone. I call it a zone because, you know, we had all these bottoms here around $40, but we also had this big reversal top at $38.50. So there wasn't a real clear support level. It was more so a range. So, you know, we got action there, so not to be unexpected that, you know, we came and it bounced around in that 38 to 40 range, but it couldn't, you know, muster a move, and we ended up breaking down, and we're below this range, which now makes it essentially a supply zone because it turns into more of a resistance. And the question was, how far are we going to go down? And we have this clear support down here at like 26, but odds are we're not going to drop straight to 26. So where was the bounce coming? And we got it right here around basically like $34, which isn't too much of a surprise because if you look, you know, we had this reversal top there. We had, as we stepped up, we had this consolidation, and it even gave us a reversal candle before it mooned higher, right? So it makes sense that it would come into play. So I'm going to draw that line, and you can kind of see this could be our potential new support. We'll see what happens. Obviously, after getting this bounce, it's running into this demand zone. I'm sorry, I should say supply zone. And is it running out of steam? Is it not? We got an upper wick right now. So the real question is, will Polkadot be able to establish above, you know, 38.50 and more so 40 to get back up in the top end here, right? Or are we going to come back, test this 33.50, and then, you know, if that doesn't hold, you know, possibly push lower? So that's what I'm looking at for Polkadot. It'll be interesting. Either way, you know, this uptrend that was kind of in place, well, that failed when we basically broke down. If it would have held here, this would have been in place, but it failed. So now technically it's kind of testing the bottom end of that. So if it doesn't push through, that'll basically mark kind of a failure, and then I wouldn't be surprised if we test 33.50 again. We'll see what happens. Scaredy cat out.